Dear children, today we will do the activity of miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. For doing that activity, I have taken 4 glasses of water. Okay, it is transparent glass, and then I have taken coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use mustard oil also. And this is vegetable oil, cooking oil, and this is lemon juice, and this is milk. Okay, so first we will add milk into the first glass of water. Okay, second, I have taken lemon juice and added in this glass. Third, I have taken coconut oil. I have put it in this glass. Third glass. And fourth glass, I have taken vegetable oil and I have put it in this fourth glass. Okay. Now what we have to do? We will mix the first glass. What you can see, the milk is completely mixed with the water. Completely mixed with the water. So the milk is completely dissolved in water. We can say the milk is completely dissolved in water, and the lemon juice, it is also completely dissolved in water. You can see, if you are mixing it very well, you can see it is completely dissolved in water. Next, coconut oil, you can see the oil is floating on the water. Okay, and this is vegetables oil. Vegetables also oil also you can see it is not dissolved with water and it is floating on the water. Okay, so these two oils are not completely dissolved in water. So miscible, we can say the milk and lemon juice that is miscible with in water. So these are miscible liquids. So what are miscible liquids? When we mix two liquids, if the liquids are completely dissolved or completely mixed with another liquid, that we can say that are miscible liquids. So what are the definition of miscible liquids? Miscible liquids, if two or more liquids dissolve in each other completely, they are said to be miscible liquids. Okay, and oil, it is not mixed with the water properly, so the oil are immiscible in water. Okay, so oil are immiscible liquids. So what is the definition of immiscible liquids? If two or more liquids do not dissolve in each other, they are said to be immiscible liquids. Okay, you can say like this also, liquids that do not dissolve in water are said to be immiscible in water. Okay, so milk and lemon juice are the examples for miscible liquids. Coconut oil and vegetable oil are immiscible liquids, are the examples for immiscible liquids. I hope you understood what is the difference between miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. अगर आपने, if you are looking for this solution, you can see you are not the milk and water is completely dissolved, है ना? Okay, and in the lemon juice and water also it is completely mixed. You cannot see this separately. But if you are looking this glass, you can see oil and water separately. Okay, oil is float on the water.